Hi. Imagine a perfect tool for team collaboration. A tool that helps you get things done, communicate with your colleagues, and stay focused all at the same time. This is the new Nozbe 3.7. In this video, I'll show you what you can expect from the new version of our app. This is a huge update in terms of our user interface. Mentions. To be honest, this feature has been available in Nozbe for months, or years rather. We've been using it a lot in our team, and it has now gotten to the point where it's elaborate enough to help you in your everyday work, too. When you ask for feedback in a task, you can mention somebody as you do in any popular chat app. This way, the mentioned person will receive a notification and can react faster. The new comments section has also been adjusted to display any comments with mentions at the top of the list. This way, you can access the tasks where your help is needed much quicker. App Icon Badge. We received many requests for this feature. We missed it too. Now you can easily set up Nozbe to display an icon badge with the number of priorities, current day tasks, inbox tasks, and more that are waiting for you. This feature is available for all the platforms except Android. Dark Mode.
The dark side of the Force is here.
You can turn it on and off in the settings whenever you want. Check it out and see how well it works for your tired eyes. Please, let us know how you like the new Nozbe Dark Mode. New Quick Add Notifications, Android. The Nozbe Quick Add Notifications has been immensely improved. Just tap on it to add a new task and have all tools at hand. You can set the task as priority and include any other parameters, such as a due date, the time needed, and the project. You can even add a comment here. There is also a completely new way to use this feature without even opening the Nozbe app, the widget. It's a small, one-by-one widget with the Nozbe logo and a plus sign on it. Just tap on it and add a new task with all the parameters you need. It's such a time saver. These are only a few new features in Nozbe 3.7. The full list of improvements is available at nozbe.com/blog/Nozbe37. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.